Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your brokerage account with Ameriprise, full guide step by step clearly. To manage your brokerage account with Ameriprise, start by logging into your Ameriprise account. Navigate to the Ameriprise website and click on the login button located in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password, then click sign in. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Check your account balances and recent transactions. To view your investments, click on the Investments tab. Here, you can see a breakdown of your holdings, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. If you wish to make a trade, go to the Trade section of the website. Select the asset type you want to trade, which may include stocks, options, or ETFs. Enter the ticker symbol of the asset you wish to buy or sell. Specify the quantity of shares or units you want to trade. Choose the order type, such as market, limit, or stop order. Review your order details for accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Submit button to execute the trade. After placing a trade, monitor its status in the Order Status section. To add funds to your brokerage account, go to the Transfers section. Select Deposit and follow the prompts to link your bank account. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. For withdrawals, navigate back to the Transfers section. Choose Withdraw and specify how much you want to take out. Fill in the required information to complete your withdrawal. To review your account performance, access the Performance tab. Here, you can analyze your portfolio's gains, losses, and overall returns. If you need further assistance, visit the Resources section for FAQs and guides. Consider setting up alerts for important account activities. Customize these alerts to stay informed about market changes and account updates. Finally, regularly review your investment strategy with a financial advisor from Ameriprise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.